yan kasi kayo lang lagi eh. Yay! What a good morning, sunshine! Oh. Ay, si Larmin pautot. Kaya, Ate Bebs? Look at that sunrise over there in front of our house. Oh, yan ang house namin. So refreshing. Beautiful. Walking tayo over there, Michelle. Sana si Larmin, malayo na. Iiwanan na tayo. Kunyari, nagja-jogging siya.
Nakadali lang pala.
Yan. Who's that? Babe!